Hello guys and welcome back to Sane Channel. For today's video, I'm going to share you another trending Web3 games and the number one NFT games right now. This is the Sandbox, guys. The Sandbox is a free-to-play immersive gaming and social platform where people connect, create, and have fun. User play, build, and monetize unique experiences alongside their favorite brands, IPs, and celebrities. Anyone can be creator with easy-to-use tools for designing world voxels, assets, and games. Over 400 partners including Atari, Ubisoft, Steve Aoki, and SSC Napoli have built experiences for fans worldwide. So powered by Web3, the Sandbox gives players and creators true ownership of their assets, creation, and rewards. So right now guys, they are on the Alpha Season 6 and I recommend you to have their Battle Pass. Your Battle Pass awaits, guys. So experience the Sandbox like never before, level up and collect free rewards, earn EP climb to the top of the Alpha Season 6 leaderboard and claim your share of the 250k Sand token pool, guys. Okay? Not all that, you can also have a free NFT by joining this Battle Pass, guys. And also, guys, you can become a Metaverse pioneer by having their lands. You can buy lands right here. Okay? You will see the lands right here, guys. Okay, the lowest price, the currency that you need, land type. Okay, so premium and standard, blockchain, Polygon, and Ethereum, guys. So this is the land. Let's see the premium one, guys. Okay, so this is the premium one. Okay, there's a lot of land right here, guys. And also, it almost filled, guys. Look at that. The standard one. Let's see the standard one, guys. So this is the standard one. It also have a prices right there. Okay, so that's the land, guys. You can own one of that and become a pioneer of this Sandbox game. So right now, I'm going to show you how to create an account or login an account. On the website, you can click the link down on my description down below and create an account right now. Okay, and then continue with Google. You can use your Google or any wallet that you want, guys. Okay, let's enter the metaverse. See my avatars. Okay, right there, that's the avatar, guys. And then just continue. Okay, guys, so after you create an avatar, you will see a Sandbox Alpha Season right away, guys. So reach level 35 on the Battle Pass to claim your Sand Pool key and unlock your share of the Sand prize pool. The more EP you earn, the bigger your reward. You can play the Season 6 hub right away, but let's check the leaderboard on the Sand Pool, guys. The 250k Sand Pool rewards. The top one will get 466 Sand right there. So get the Sand Pool key, complete level 35 and earn Sand Pool key. Increase your reward, earn more EP and get a bigger share. So if you want to buy the premium pass, you can click the link on my description down below and then you will see this one. Okay, the earn more rewards with the premium pass. So 30 Sand or 5.3 USD. You can use Polygon, USD, or Ethereum, guys. So get yours 30 Sand. Mint the Alpha Season 6 premium pass now to earn bonus Sand and premium rewards. Okay, guys. So this is the premium pass, guys. Okay, you can buy it for 5.3 USD only. Marketplace is also available here. You can see your collection, avatars, equipment, characters, props, and land estates, guys. So this is the land estates right here. Some of them are cost 440 and 550 Sand, the lowest price right now. So again, guys, you can have your props, character, equipment, and avatars here at the marketplace, guys. Here's the avatar that you can mint right here, guys. Okay, some of this is created by some call or creator, guys. Okay, here you can create or build your own game. So Game Maker 0.12, worlds that save and evolve. So build bigger, slicker, more social games using improved multiplayer tools, save progress, martyrs, PCs, and immersive audio, and more, guys. So create without limits. With Game Maker, building your own experience just got easier, guys. So free to use, no upfront cost or hidden fees. Simply download and let your imagination run wild. So no coding needed, build like a pro thanks to easy to use features and built-in documentation. Ready to play in minute, share with friends and launch your experience in the metaverse in just few clicks, guys. You will see here that it is easy to use and create a game for you and for your friends, guys. So this is the game maker of the Sandbox. Okay, so you're wow. So that's, you can fly also here, guys, when you create an game. So have fun every step of the way, enjoy every moment, or bringing your vision to life from start to finish, guys. So let's try to download the game itself. Click the download button right here and wait for the download to begin. Okay, so this is the Sandbox launcher. Okay, let's just install it and then install it. Okay, simple as that. So you just need to install, download the Sandbox Alpha and choose an experience and start playing, and also earn, participate in events and win rewards. So that's the Sandbox itself, guys. Okay guys, so after installing, just allow this on your firewall. Alright guys, so welcome. This is the Season 6 hub. Each time you complete a quest, your progress is saved. Okay? So okay, so move WASD, look around the mouse, and then interact is E. Okay? So this is the Alpha Season 6, guys. To interact, just press the letter E, guys. So Alpha Season 6. My entire life has led to this. Letter E. Okay. Keep looking and thanks. Hub tour, new objective, unlock. So you just need to follow the quest, talk to guides, and learn about the season. Okay, you can find the guides, guys. So this is the Sandbox game, guys, and this is the avatar that we created earlier. Also, guys, I want to add up this one. So it's your type to govern. We're shaping a future of the Sandbox ecosystem through community governance. So if you hold sand or land, you're already a member of DAO. That means you can cast your votes, influence proposal through constructive discourse. Before they go to vote, submit proposal of your own or safely delegate your voting power to the others to vote on your behalf, guys. Also on the Twitter, they have a 1 million followers right now, guys. So just follow their Twitter and have new news about the Sandbox, guys. Okay, I found some tweet right here, guys, that they ask what will happen on the Sandbox after 1,000 years. So in 1,000 years, it could be an ever-expanding civilization of digital worlds. So the boundaries between players, creator, and world might completely dissolve, guys. Okay, so that's the Sandbox futures right now. And also, I recommend you to get the premium, guys. Okay, premium battle pass. And if you have more budget, just have some land, okay, for the future of this the Sandbox game. Okay, it's very good game and also very good community. Hi guys, so if you want to learn more about this Sandbox, just click the link on my description down below and follow me on Twitter and our YouTube, guys. So again, this is Crypto Hussein. Bye bye.